So today we'll start a new chapter, height and distance. Height and distance. Okay. So here either you'll find the length or the height of an object. So for that we'll take the help of trigonometry. So for that what you have to know here is, suppose there is an object here. Okay, so this is your object you are looking from here. Okay, so when you look from here, when you look up, you are looking up. So this is the angle made with horizontal line. The angle made with an horizontal line is called angle of elevation. Means from the horizontal line you are looking up. So suppose object is here. Suppose there is a flag here. So if you are looking at the flag, this angle is called angle of elevation. Similarly, if there is an object here, an object is here, this is your horizontal line with your eye, then you are looking down. Means you are looking down. So this angle with horizontal line will be angle of depression. So when you look down, the angle made on the top is angle of depression. When you look up, this angle is called angle of elevation. So based on this, we have to solve some word problems, so which you should understand. If you are able to frame out the equation, the relation if you can create between object, length, means base, height and hypotenuse. So for that you should look at one easy question here. That is, so for that you should remember all the 6 trigonometry functions formula. Look at exercise 9.1. The question is, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. Is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched, and tied from the top of a vertical pole. Tied from the top of a vertical pole. Okay, to the ground. Okay, find the height of the pole. Find the height of the pole. Okay, if the angle made by the rope, if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is with the ground level is 30 degree. Okay, so what you need here is, you have to understand, suppose there is a pole here. Pole is obviously straight. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied to the top of the pole. Top of the pole को a string is stretched. Okay, then if I do a little bit this side, it will be easy for you. There is a pole here. Then from the top a string is tied, stretched here, and with the ground. अच्छा, 20-meter long rope. This is your rope, 20 meter. If I take A, this is B, this is C. Then find the height of the pole, means you are asked to find height of this one. If the angle made by the rope with the ground, means this is your ground means horizontal, is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. So if you remember this only, not more, sin theta p by h. 3 you remember, everything will come out. Cos theta b by h. Tan theta p by b. If you remember this, then it is easy. So when this is angle, this is your base, this is perpendicular, this is your hypotenuse. Okay, now what is the relation between ph? Ph means sin theta. So you can take here, you can write little bit. You can write pole AB, that is what? Not given, question mark. Then rope AC, that is 20 meter. Okay, in ACB triangle, sin 30 degree, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Look at here, perpendicular by B by H means AB by AC. So in the previous chapter you have learned what is sin 30. Sin 30 is how much? Sin 30 equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 equals to AB is not given, AC is given you 20. Do a cross multiplication, this number will come here. So what will you get? Half into 20 equals to AB. Cancel here 10. AB equals to 10 meter. So like this we will solve more questions. Now look at here, another question, question number 2, suppose. Question number 2. So what the question number 2 tells us? A tree breaks due to storm. A tree breaks due to storm, and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground ground level, touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it, making an angle 30 degree with it. Okay, the distance between the foot of the tree, the distance between the foot of the tree to the top, when the top touches the ground, where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. Find the height of the tree. Okay, you have to understand. See, look at the situation here. There is a tree, total tree AB. This was a tree now. Now a tree breaks due to storm. The broken part, suppose this part is broken. This part is suppose broken. So where it will go? It will toss like this. It will toss like this means touches the ground. Top means this part touches the ground here. Suppose this is C point. Making an angle 30 degree with it. Means top makes an angle 30 degree here. This is 30 degree. Okay. So this is the ground. If I do it little bigger, then this was A, this is B, this is ground. This part is broken. Suppose C now. B point is coming from here because this part is broken, is touching here. This is suppose D point, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the top means this top has reached here. Where it touches the ground is 8 meter. This is your 8 meter. Find height of the tree. So height of the tree means this part and this part is total height of the tree. Now this part is here. This part has gone here, means this part has come to this hypotenuse here. That means you can find this length and this length. If we add these two, then this will be height of the tree. Okay now. So you can write tree is which one? Tree means AB. So AB means what? AC plus BC. AC plus BC. Now broken part is which one? Broken part is BC. Where it is gone? BC has become CD. Okay. Now the question is, you have to find out what is the length of AC, what is the length of CD. Now AC means perpendicular. This is your base because this is given. So which one is given? That you will take. base and perpendicular you take, means tan theta equals to perpendicular by base. So now you take in ADC triangle, tan 30 degree, because angle is 30 degree, tan 30 degree equals to perpendicular, means AC by AD. But you have to remember what is tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree equals to 1 upon root 3 equals to AC by AD is given 8. So do cross multiplication. 1 by root 3 into 8 equals to AC. Therefore AC equals to 8 by root 3. Means this part you got. Now you have to find out CD. CD means which one has a relation between base and hypotenuse, that is cos. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Again cos 30 equals to base AD by CD. The cos 30 equals to root 3 by 2. Value you have to remember. AD is 8 divided by DC, base by hypotenuse. Now do cross multiplication. There are two numbers. This will go here, this will go here. So how much you will get? Root 3 DC equals to 8 to the 16. The DC equals to 16 by root 3. Means this part you got how much? 8 by root 3. This part you got how much? 16 by root 3. Therefore 3 equals to AC plus DC. AC is 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3. Okay, you have to simplify. So how to simplify? Now denominator is same, so LCM will be root 3. So denominator same means add the numerator. 8 plus 16. So what is 8 plus 16? 24 by root 3. So what you have to do? You have to rationalize. 24 by root 3 multiply root 3 here, multiply root 3 here. Rationalize. So this became 24 root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 is 3. Cancelled here 8. That is equal to 8 root 3 meter. Okay. Let's see another question then. Question number 3. Let me see if you can try. Question number 3. Question number 3 is homework. Then comes question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from foot of the tower, which is 30 meter from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Okay, find the height of the tower. Find height of the tower. Okay. So for that, look at here. The angle of elevation of top of the tower means you make a tower here first. A, B, S tower. Angle of elevation of top of the tower means this is top of the tower. From a point on the ground means take any point. This is your ground. This is any point, suppose C. So elevation means you join like this to the top of the tower. This angle is given how much? 30 degree, which is 30 meter from the foot of the tower. Which is 30 meter from the foot of the tower. Okay, the point is 30 meter from foot of the tower. Then what is height of the tower? Means this one. So base is given perpendicular, P and B. This is very simple. Directly you can write in ACB triangle 10-30 degree. Now you have to take, because 10 is the relation between perpendicular and base. That is AB by AC. So 10-30 means 1 by root 3. AB is how much? AB is not given, by 30. Do cross multiplication. So if you do cross multiplication, what will you get? 1 by root 3 into 30 equals to AB. So 30 by root 3. So rationalize. Denominator you can cancel. Root 3 into root 3. Here also root 3. Rationalize. Root 3 numerator and denominator multiply. So what will you get? Then you will get 30 root 3 by 3 equals to AB. 3 cancelled here, 10. Therefore AB equals to 10 root 3 meter. That is height of the tower. So the question is, if you can frame the diagram, then it is very simple for us. Okay. Let's see another question then. See question number 5. 5 is a kite is flying at a height of at a height of 60 meter above the ground. 60 meter above the ground. Okay. The string attached to the kite. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. Is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string, of the string with the ground is 60 degree. With the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string. Find the length of the string. Okay. Suppose this is the point. Here is suppose kite. Okay, this is your kite. The kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. Means this height is 60 meter. Suppose this is point A, this is point B. The kite is temporarily tied to a string. Obviously, the string will be like this. This is the string kite is flying, tied to a point on the ground. Inclination of the string with the ground. Inclination of the string with the ground. This is your ground now. How much? Is 60 degree. This is your 60 degree. This is C point. Okay, find the length of the string. Means this is the length of the string. So, hypotenuse and perpendicular. Which formula? Hypotenuse and perpendicular. You can take in ACB triangle. Which one? Perpendicular hypotenuse. Sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. AB by BC. Okay, sine 60 का वैल्यू √3/2. AB का वैल्यू 60. BC not given. So do cross multiplication. So √3/2, √3 into BC is 2 into 60. The BC equals to 120 by √3. How to simplify? I told you. Rationalize. 120 by √3 multiply √3 multiply √3. So 120 √3 by √3 is 3. 3 cancelled here. 40 √3 meter. Okay. So like this, some other questions you have to solve. Question number 7 you try homework. Question number 7 if you can do. Remaining I will do tomorrow.